What's going on, everybody? What's going on? It's another day, another dollar in the dream. So I'm about to go pick up some cars for the auction. We was able to get 3 cars yesterday. Sell, you know, they sent out a message said they had 1,000 cars, but they didn't have 1,000 cars. As y'all guys seen it and walk around, it wasn't 1,000 cars. I mean, they had 1,000. I think they were having 1,000 cars running, but I think like it was a smaller dealership running like 400 cars. Later that day, they were only online only. And if I ain't getting no time to check them out, I'm not even about to bother with it. But we're gonna get to it. Waiting on my dad and my younger brother to get here. You know, I'm always like the first one up, but you know, we waiting on them to get here. We're in this little Kia Sorento that I took to the body shop the other day, cause my car had a little flat on it. So we're in the Sorento. Not too bad overall. Probably go to the salvage yard and, you know, get a new headlight and get another white fender, so it'll be all looking good. You know, might get 2 headlights just to have 2 clean headlights, or might just order 2 headlights off of Amazon, because other than that, it's fairly clean. It's really clean all the way around. You know, it's very clean and well taken care of. You know, so I get that. But yeah, we waiting on them to go pick up a couple cars from the auction. Like I said, my other little car had a flat yesterday, and it was wet and really rainy yesterday, so didn't want to mess with it, but I'll mess with it today. But yeah, let's get to it. You know, when you're in the car business, you work basically all the time. Especially in Oklahoma, you don't work on Sundays. That's just, you know, against the law. But other than that, you know, if y'all know, in the car business, you work. When I was working as a car salesman, I worked just almost all the time, really. I mean, it's like, no, you really don't get no days off. No, you don't get no really holidays off except Christmas. But even, you know, some dealerships is open on Christmas, because sometimes, you know, you have people just wants to come in and buy a new car or a used car on Christmas. So your Thanksgiving, you worked half a day. Like when I was working in the dealership, we worked Thanksgiving, we worked from like 10. Like now we opened up at 8, so we worked from like 8 to about 2 or 3. So basically, and then Labor Day we worked. You always work, because, you know, every time, you know, it was always some promotion deal going on that they were trying to sell more cars on this date. And honestly, on holidays, you will sell more cars, because more people was out, more people was buying cars and stuff like that. But yeah, let's wait on them, and we're gonna go pick up some cars, and then I'll let you guys see what we got. It was only 3 cars, so nothing too spectacular, but still let you guys see. Let's get to it. It's that time. Go pick up some cars. Nah, we got the old man with us.
They been working on it.
Nah.
I've been dodging there.
You been dodging?
Hiding there.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I
told you
hey,
to
look,
fuck these niggas.
I was dodging the air yesterday. I'm going to sleep like a motherfucker.
What's going on, big dog? What's going on? Nah, we gonna work him a little bit today, you know. You know, he only 60 years young. We gotta keep working him. So I know when I get his age, my kid's gonna work me too. So we working him for the future, for when I gotta go work.
Sit here, right?
Nah, I probably ain't gonna be working in the future. I won't.
That motherfucker. Said you were
Oh no, my kid's gonna be taking care of me when I get old, man. I'm retiring. I'm retiring at 40.
you know, they gonna move the motherfucker way out of state, Atlanta, some goddamn way away from your ass.
Oh yeah, they probably move away from me.
Yeah. Fuck these shit. They get a career, move to New York, Atlanta, California, shit, way away.
I wouldn't blame them to move away from me. I'll be happy when they be happy. It's your Buick, ain't it?
What, this Buick?
Yep, a Buick LaCrosse.
LaCrosse, yeah.
Look like somebody keyed the car. Look like angry woman. Look like somebody. Got a little dent in the fender. That ain't much. 3800 series, the best motor that they got.
Oil black as shit.
Got
That
some
ain't
oil.
never been changed.
Oil need an oil change.
Yeah, they ain't cooler in there, man.
Nope. Ain't got nothing in the overflow. Let's see if we got any in the
radiator.
How the hell you crack that though? How the hell you then they just like they put some JB weld or something on it.
We took the two fucking screws to see this shit. Yeah, fucking the screws on it. How you screw this shit? Must be got one of those like metal pieces at the end.
Nah, they ain't really got no cooling down there, man. Can you touch it? No, you can't.
Run to the water hole.
Yeah, you better go.
Grab it. Grab around to the water hole.
You better see how I start up.
A little hard to start.
A little hard to start. Need a fuel pressure regulator or something. That shit sound like the other Buick you got. You trying to get a cold start out of?
Got cold.
Yeah, let's go to the new.
Cold nature, motherfucker. Got cold, motherfucker. Won't start. Motherfucker wanna run when it's 80 degrees.
Oh yeah, I only want to run when it's warmed up out there. Where the Nissan at?
I don't know, where's the Sable? Oh, you Sable should be back there.
Mercury Sable Buick. So this is the process that you got to do when you're picking up cars. You got to go out here and walk around. You got to find them. You got to make sure they run so you can drive them to your lot. You got to get you a gate pass, you know.
It's always a bet to see, you know what I'm saying, which one's make it, which one don't.
Oh yeah, you always got to gamble. It's always it's a gamble when you buying these cars. A lot of the cars are gambles. You never know. Even
might break even.
Yeah, you might make some money, you might break even, you might lose a lot of money, you never know. Man, that was on flat. And then you really can't, when you're arbitrating, sometimes you never know unless you're just driving so much far of a distance. So, you know, well, that's a Nissan.
I think it's
Look better than the Buick already.
you know, you can't destroy the little old thing. Yeah, that's 399.
99, can't never go wrong. Got to. Boy, that's hood shots.
You got cooling.
They got cooling. Let's see if we got any oil in there. Got some black oil in there.
That shit ain't blacker than a Buick.
Need an oil change. Got the battery any good? Okay. Leather sunroof. Start right up.
Only thing you better make sure the transmission good.
Got a little rust spot right there. Oh yeah. A little painted faded, but that's be to expected for something that's old. Now let's go find this Mercury Sable. I'm gonna hop in this car and we're gonna drive around to this Mercury. Maybe.
Yeah, it's fire right up.
This one?
Yeah, I just moved it over here.
Fire right up. That's what we like to hear.
How you guys doing this morning?
Oh, we doing good. How about yourself? Said the fire's right up. You know. Oh yeah, you know you always gotta check the fluid just to be safe. You know, you don't want to. Look at that. Oh, look at that. They done already. Look at that. Somebody.
Right up his alley.
They done already shined it up for me, man. They done the work for me. All I need is a little grill right there. Gotta check and make sure. See if they changed the oil for me.
Nope, black
Nope.
is black.
Go put an oil change on it.
Black as a Buick. This other fire stayed up. That cool.
Got cooling. Need an oil change in the grill. Let's see. Said it fire right up. Yeah, fire right up with a damn mist on it. Got a little mist on it, so probably need a coil or some spark plugs. But yeah, little grill piece. Overall, you know, good body. Good body. Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, you hear it missing. You know, probably need some spark plugs or a coil. More than likely a coil, you know. Wipe down this interior.
So it is now 11.
Turn that radio off. They got the emergency brake. They got the emergency brake. Let's see. It's got a bed, so probably need some brake fluid. Oil change. Okay, last person. You always look at these. Person, like that, they ain't touched the oil in some miles, so you know definitely gotta go get that oil freshened up. Checking the engine light is blinking, so you know it's missing. So it's a coil or something. We ain't even gotta go nowhere and get the grill. We got the grill right there. Boom, Mercury. So all we need to do for this one, really, we're gonna drive and make sure it shift all the gears, cause you know, I know the older Tauruses have problems with the transmission. These Mercuries are pretty much decent, but we're gonna show you the process of getting. I'm gonna show you a process of what I do to get a car ready. You know, just the main little stuff I do. But let's get to it. Let's go. So we made it back, and I think I don't know where it's. See, I think what happened with this. Like it's missing, made it back, transmission shifting good, motor's like a miss, like, but once you take off, you're good. What I think is like, it looked like they replaced the spark plug wires. What I think is like the coil went, maybe the coil is bad, or like usually what happens with cars like this, people will replace the spark plugs in the front, but y'all see like all this stuff that you got to take off in the back, so people don't never change the spark plugs in the back. So maybe just be the spark plugs in the back, but other than that, you know, it ran and drove fine. The heat and AC worked, you know. So I'll check that coil and I'll change all the spark plugs. I'll probably just buy a new coil, because the coil for this ain't much in spark plug. Well, because it wasn't, because it looked like they changed the spark plug wires, but see, this one don't even look like it was down all the way. So that might have been a problem too. That one ain't even look like it's catching.
Something up in there?
Oh, nah, that spark plug look like it's broke. Like if you look down in there, that spark plug look like it's broke. Like the top of that spark plug look like it's broke. Yeah, cause
the rest of them sticking, huh?
yeah, the rest of them sticking. So that
end up in the wire, is it?
Nah, it ain't nothing in the wire. You know, no. Probably just that spark plug. So you might have found out the problem. Just might just be this one spark plug, because it looked like it just had a miss in the. Yeah, cause that spark plug ain't catching. How the Nissan drive?
Oh, that motherfucker roll.
So Nissan got the Buick up and running. You know, they all made it back to the shop, so that's a positive. You know, we always make it back to the shop, but you know, time to get some work done. Appreciate you guys tuning in. As you can see, lot filling up nicely. Got cars for sale, selling cars, making money. Rule of the game is always make some money. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. See y'all in tomorrow's video. I'm out. Peace.